Good evening, folks. Happy Sunday. Hope everyone is well. Thanks for tuning in for tonight's editions of Stocks and Slides with Joe Man. Rough ride last week, folks. Here we are, Sunday night. What is in store for us this week? Hopefully the bleeding stops. Hopefully we can clot that sucker and we can get some healing, right? I've seen a lot of funny memes this week. They say, buy the dip. I bought the dip. And then it dips again. Buy the dip. Bought the dip again. It dips again. Buy the dip. I'm out of money. I can't buy no more dips, folks. Jeez. Can the dipping stop? When you dip, I dip. I mean, can we just stop this dipping this week? So hopefully we can have a good week this week. You know, hopefully there's some money to be made this week and regain a few of those losses. They were pretty tough. I lost quite a bit last week. I didn't sell, so technically I didn't lose. So there's that. So we'll see how it goes. So far, Sunday evening, the futures are looking pretty good right now. Actually, the Dow futures are up 200 points as Treasury yields treat. Can't think a whole lot about this because actually the futures were in the green as the start of last week as well too. But of course, once the markets opened up at 8:30, all hell broke loose. So hopefully we can have a better week this week. And like I said, hopefully we can regain some of these losses. So yeah, that's good. So Dow futures are up 200 points as Treasury yields retreat. So that's, at least a little positive, right? Maybe this could be an indication of where things are going. So let's AMC. Let's talk about AMC. So Friday, it was a below average day of 137,028,038 shares being transferred. This is a pretty good indication here what tomorrow may bring. Got a bid and ask size currently of 2,400, with 600 shares being sold. Closing price of 801. Looks like there was a 28-cent drop, 3.38% on Friday, which is still pretty good. Like I said, you can't not think that maybe this thing is going to go up tomorrow. Well, depending on the market. I mean, 90% of all these stocks were falling on Thursday and Friday. So it's not fair to start panicking on AMC because do we have a correction day? I don't think so. I think the whole market was just spoiled, Thursday and Friday last week. So that's actually not that bad. Taking a 28-cent loss for the day is not that bad compared to the overall market losses. So not too bad there. Also, I believe AMC has their earnings possibly tomorrow. See if we got any insight here. AMC dishes out bonuses for CEO Adam Aron, top executives. That's good. Good for Adam. Let's see here. I don't see them mention anything about the earnings, but their earnings is, I believe it is this week. I know they have an unconfirmed date, but it's they are due. They are due. All right, so let's look at the chart here, see if we see anything telling or interesting. Well, like I said, here's the Thursday. The 25th was obviously the best day of last week. As actually the week started off, it was AMC actually overall wasn't affected by the overall bleeding market. So that's good. Also, it does look like some of the sell-off started to begin late Thursday, but not overall not too bad considering what kind of shape the market was in last week. So the question is where is it going to go? Where will Monday bring AMC? What is in store? Let's see in here. I mean, this is a 2-day chart here. I'm not. I mean, this looks like if tomorrow rides out at about the 850 mark, 820, you could start to establish some sort of new support line. I do believe it's a false support line. I mean, honestly, AMC per share is very overvalued currently at 801. But who cares about fundamentals, right? These days, it doesn't matter. It's just a matter if it's the hot topic and everybody's buying it. This baby's gonna go up for sure. Yeah. So what did I do Friday? Let's see here. Well, so there's my account value going into tomorrow. This sucker actually started last Monday at just over 9K. So you've seen the beating that mine has taken for sure. So this was last week. This is the 22nd as it was touching the 9K, and then I mean last week was tough. It was very tough. I actually was able to sell Cosmos Energy on Monday and actually made a pretty good gain there. I think I made $377 profit, and then I didn't make a great decision with that 5K. Actually ported into ARC, who come to find out failed to meet their earnings the very next day, and my 5K investment quickly turned into 4 just like that. So that was quite depressing. But it was a very tough week to make money last week. Pretty excited and nervous this week. I mean, I don't want to see a continuous bleeding market. That can be quite depressing for sure. So yeah, that's it. Well, guys, that was it for tonight. Kind of short and sweet. Just trying to get the market opens back up tomorrow. Trying to get the gears turning. What are we looking at? The Dow is up 200 right now in the futures pre-market. So I mean that's that at least gives some encouraging going into Monday. And I don't know. So let's sit back and let's see what tomorrow brings, shall we? And anyways, guys, if y'all wouldn't mind, if you could please hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Y'all have a good night.